Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon bear. Here we go with our little bear cartoon. Right, building the head and the body right now, and I'm going to be indicating where the feet are. It's going to be a simple little layout. He's going to be holding a little sign, and you can put whatever you want in there. There's my crosshairs for the face again. Got the arms and the tail in. Okay, now I'm going to start to build up on the fur, on the body. Basic sketching right here, right now. I get the other side right now. Very loose and bubbly, like little raindrops falling down. Alright, let's get working on his feet there. Okay, alright. Let's get a little bit more detail. Alright, let's start to work on his nose now, actually, and his mouth there. Okay, building that up. Yep. He's going to be like a tired bear. Alright. Got the lips there. Okay, and get the other part of his nose. Okay, let's round his nose in now. There we go. A little bit more detail on that. There you go. Have the easy highlight. You're going to see a flat version. This version, when it was colored, I just colored in Illustrator. I inked it in there, and it was just flat. And maybe a little cutouts for like shadowing areas I did, but no photoshopping. And those are his eyes and his eyebrows right now. And I kind of like, yeah, dude, like, I got a sign, feed bears. Yeah, that's what it should say, feed the bears. Okay, let's shade that in. Get some of his hair in there. Alright, there's one ear right now. You can see the perspective. One's going to be angled a little bit smaller, and the other side can be a little larger. I get the earlobe in there. Looks like a number 6. You can kind of remember that. Let's build his hands now. Right now, again, it's just that really fluffy fur. It's not spiky fur. 3-finger bear that I have with his thumb holding inside. Alright, let's get to his belly. There we go. It's looking good. Yep. And then let's work on the other hand right now. Look at the feet down there. I'd rather say that. Let's do that area first. Yeah. Okay. There you go. They're just like standing up sideways. Okay. There's his toes. You see 3 on this one. The other one you just see 2. Kind of give him that perspective turn as well. Work on his tail. Okay, yeah. And let's begin the hand now. There's his thumb, his arm there, and simple straight lines around the curves. Always good if you guys get to practice sometimes on a piece of paper. Get the basic shapes. That helps. Okay, and that's the outline for the sign out. Nice and big. Okay, alright, let's get the bottom part coming through his hand. He's holding it. And there we go, get some wood grain in there and shade it in. Create that illusion like it's 3-dimensional with that side here right now, shading it in. Let's get 2 nails in, definitely. Okay, looking good. A little darker, a little better. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. And get those little freckles. Okay, let's shade in his mouth right now. So there you go. There's that dimension in his mouth. And let's go to this nose and just shade it just very light. Maybe not as dark as the mouth right now. That's looking good. Yep, I like that. Okay. Good. Yeah, it's just as simple as going over some of the lines again, making sure they're darker when you know what you were doing. And, of course, sign your name and date it up as always. Well, I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you check out our other videos too. Thanks. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.